Hi everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from Cheeky Seats.
Hello.
Today we are going to show you how to install a Vespa Sprint or Primavera seat cover. Your seat may look a little different. The installation is going to be exactly the same. So, starting at the back. Always important to get the back started correctly, because it's like whisper down the lane. If it's off a little bit, by the time you get to the bottom it's all off. Then pull around the front once the back's on there. See that black line? That is to line up with the edge of your seat all the way around. That gets you the sweet spot of installation. Pull that around. That lined up with the hook there. All seat covers have an opening for the hook. If you need a lock opening, you have to let us know. Adjust that all around the sides. Pull the pull stop. Then it's the massaging it into place. Now, you are going to notice some tenting on this because the material doesn't know to lay flat. But once you ride on it, let it heat up and cool down a few times, that's going to form to the seat beautifully. So there you have it. Thanks, guys.